Go around the other side.
The Angelo. See, there's a name there on top of the windshield.
The Angelo.
The Angelo. Yeah.
Little horse.
Yes.
Down this way.
And then. Saan yan?
Happy si ate.
Masakay ka ate ah.
Very happy.
Kay ka.
Try another.
Smell ka ah.
Star.
Okay.
This guy is made for the driver and a girlfriend. That's all. No one else.
Okay na ate. Oh, ikaw din. But the other one wants to ride also dyan.
Hey?
She wants also to sit inside. Come, come.
You don't have to ask. Just go.
Show it to your lolo when you arrive in the Philippines. Smile.
Walking.
Thank you.
See the back?
Yan ate oh.
That's where the engine is, under there.
Yan yung engine niya. Ferrari.
I'll open it.
Open.
You got to pull the thing in there.
You're telling the wrong person now.
Oh, malublungan niya. Grabe. Bakbak lang.
Ayan na oh. Yan yung
Where the
machine niya.
engine is.
Big engine. Wala mo yan. Italian made. Ferrari. Oh, good yan. Thank you. Alfa Romeo. The same car with Frank. Yeah, the other one outside.
Grabe na.
Mm.
Yeah.